Hello everyone, I'm Peng. I'm the engineer of BSL battery, and today I will introduce you how to connect this SAJ 3-phase 5km inverter with our ESS grade high voltage storage battery. We have two cables to connect the battery with the inverter. This is a positive cable and this is the negative cable. And first, we shall connect the positive cable with our battery. Connect this to the positive. We put this positive cable to the inverter and we put this negative cable to the inverter. And this is a communication cable between battery and the inverter. This cable, the another side is from Peng. And we put this communication cable to the EMS and CAN points. And this cable is connected with the inverter and the grid. Then we put off this button and connect this cable. And this is our 3-phase smart meter. And then we put this cable. Then we open this brick and click this meter switch button. We can see this screen includes many parameters, includes the cell wall, the temperature, and the voltage and the current. We can also see the SOC here and the alarm info. And the details here include every cell voltage. And this is a Wi-Fi module. We put this module in the Wi-Fi ports. Yes, fine. Then we open the grid breaker. When we open the grid breaker, this indicator will light up, and when we open the battery, this battery indicator will light up, and this indicator means the communication between inverter and the battery is normal. We can use this app to check the parameters and configure it. Let's click it and choose the tool. We click this remote configuration, Bluetooth, and the next step. Click this. We will connect the inverter with the Bluetooth, and this device is our inverter. Let's click this. We can check the device info in this But first we should set our batteries and click the battery brand. Before use, we should set our battery brand to SAJ. That's the product we use, and we click C. So come to the main setting. We can click this working modes to charge and discharge the battery. If we choose self-consumption mode, that means the solar energy will be used for load first. Then the actual energy will be charged to battery, and the extra will be filled to grid. If we choose the backup mode, that means the battery will save some energy for itself. And before the setted SOC, it acts as just like the self-consumption mode, and we can choose the time of use price mode to set the charge time and the discharge time for battery. Today is Tuesday, and we can set the start time to for whole day, and okay, and we click the C. Okay. After this, the inverter will charge the battery for 5 kilowatts and a whole day. Yeah, that's successfully.